Okay, you can see this is in inches mentioned over here. It's 11 inches. Joy, can we cut 11 inches please? Okay. Do we have a paper? This is hydraulic with the hydro approval as well. The hydraulic is what, clamp? The clamp is hydraulic or even the blade?
Both.
So you can hear that it's both are hydraulic, and we are cutting 11 inches now. Oh. Initially it didn't cut because of the safety light beams over here. My hand was there. So that's a safety measure. And that's the way it works. It's fully programmable with 8 programs. 8 steps, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So that's the one. Beautiful with side tables as well. Needs 220 volts single phase. Correct, Joy?
Yes.
Thank you.